Hello class and welcome to Module 4. We are starting now our major speeches. Up until now we haven't been doing our major speeches that require an outline, all of that, so here's how it's going to go. Again, first make sure you read over the resources. This talks about the directions. Also in the directions you're going to have the student examples and your outline. It has to follow this exactly. So I would copy and paste this outline and then enter your own information because it has to look just like it. You have to start with your attention grabber. You have your your reason to listen, a thesis statement, credibility statement, preview of your main points. It has to look just like that. You'll see in the rubric, there's a rubric that goes along with it. But, so make sure that you're looking over all of these directions for the time frame, what the assignment is, what the outline looks like. And then let me come back out here. So first, you're going to post your topic for approval, due June 13th. You also must respond to your peers. If you notice that that you don't think the topic is going to work, then please don't say great topic. Really give information on it. You can't. This is not a how-to. No demonstration here. You do have to have a PowerPoint with this, a visual aid, and it talks all about that with your visual aid. If I would prefer you to project it. That's pretty easy to do. That's what most students do. But if you have a laptop, I'm way cool with that too. But I'm getting mine here. You cannot do this. You cannot just hold your speech or hold your visual aid and do that. You have to have it next to you, and I'm grading on like interaction that you'll have with it. So, you have to be standing up. Let me move this a little bit. You have to be standing up to, do this, but, you want that interaction. You have to be controlling it, not anybody else. But, whether it's projected somewhere or it's a laptop, you stay both of you in the camera shot the whole time. And, you can say, as you see here, just minor interaction. And remember, this is not a big note card. You are not to just copy your whole outline and put it in your visual aid. That does not work. This is not a note card for you. So you have to make sure that you watch the lesson over visual aids. So you see the visual aid right here, lesson over visual aids. That walks you through how to do it, how not to do it. You come back out. Same for the outline. There is a lesson over it. You need to watch this lesson right here. It talks about how to do the outline. All right here. And then you can go back out to the resources and find the student examples, copy, paste it, take out my stuff or the student stuff, and then put your own in. Here's how it works. Post your discussion for approval. Make sure you check back that your topic was approved. Make sure your key points were approved. Then you're going to post your outline. Check for feedback. I grade very quickly. If you do not get full credit for something, it's usually something very minor. You're going to go in and make those changes and you can get full credit. Same for your visual aid. But you have to do that before you can do your speech. So let's say that you do your outline and you're missing some components, or you need to revise it, or make some changes, and let's say you get 5 out of 15. You're going to go, oh dang, I got a 5 out of 15. That really sucks. But no, you didn't. You can make those changes and resubmit it, and then I'll give you full credit, but it has to be done before you give your speech. You cannot give your speech and then go back and revise your stuff. You have to do it beforehand. So that's why you check it quickly and make them. Usually the changes are real minor. So, and then you'll post your link here. So, just like others, respond to your peers. So just to recap, resources here, this is where you'll find the example outlines. Post your topic for approval, respond to your peers. Create your outline. There's a lesson right here over how to do the outline. If you do not get full credit, make revisions to get full credit. Same for your visual aid. You'll submit your visual aid. If you do not get full credit, you'll submit it for full credit. Post your speech here. Do not hold your visual aid. Do not treat this as a big note card. It is not for you. It is for your audience. So if you have questions, let me know, but I will see you soon.